Hi guys, this is Shrish and today I'm gonna do experiment number 8 of database lab. The aim of the experiment is to develop an application for the company to manage its order and supply details using JDBC connectivity and do the following. Have a menu with the following options and perform the following operations. Insert new order, modify the order details, delete a order from order table, search the supply details based on product ID. So let's get on to the program. Now if you see the program, it has a class called company, and then we are writing public static void name, that is the main function. Company operations co-op is equal to new company operations. So co-op is an object. Scan is equal to new scanner system.in. In choice, system.out is equal to database operations, and we are giving the menu over here. So if you press 1, it chooses new order. If you press 2, modification of order. 3, delete of order. 4, it shows you search of order. So and you're collecting the information, that is these numbers from the user, and storing it in choice, and you're running a switch case with the choice over here. So in case number 1, that is new order, it calls in function coop.insert.query. For modification, it calls coop.modification query. For deletion, it calls coop.delete query, and for search it calls coop.search1. And if none of these options are given, then the default is run, saying enter correct choice please, as given over here. So if you see here, all the files that are required are imported, and a class is created called company operations. Final string JDC driver is equal to oracle.jdc driver.oracle driver. Final string database URL is equal to JDBC oracle then local at localhost 1521 exe. Final string user, so the username is system and the password is Shrish. Location connection is null, set to null. Statement is equal to null. So scan is equal to new scan system.in. Now let's see what's in the function void insert query. Here exception is set, and there are try and catch blocks for catching various exceptions. Then variable order ID, customer ID, SQL announced, and order ID which is required is requested from the user. And here if you see, it is asking to enter the date, so we are actually entering the date over here, and it is stored over here, and it is stored in the format ddmmyyyy. Yeah, then it's asking you to enter the customer ID. So the customer ID value is inputted. Then SQL is equal to insert into order 1, order ID, order date, customer, braces close, plus values. These are unknown values, so we put question marks. Then prepared statement, pre statement is equal to con prepare statement SQL. P statement dot set int 1 order ID. P statement set date 2 order date. P statement set int 3 customer ID. P statement execute update. System.out, so a new row is created after all the SQL queries, and when the order date, order ID and the customer ID is inputted. Then P statement.close and connection is closed. Now exception is checked. If any exception is there, it is caught over here. Now for modification query, again there is exception being checked over here using try catch block. Then here it is requesting the user for the choice, that is, which column would you like to update. Press 1 for order date, press 2 for customer ID. So the choice is taken into a variable called choice, and based on that, if the choice is 1, this set of code is run, that is updation of order date. So the new order date is taken in and it is stored in the format dd YYY. And here the SQL coding queries begin. String SQL is equal to update order 1 set order date is equal to question mark, where order ID is equal to question mark. This is where we'll be adding these codes in. So prepare statement P statement is equal to connection CONN prepare statement SQL. P statement set date 1 is order date and 2 is order ID, and P dot execute update, P dot close, and connection is closed. Again, for every exception being caught, a catch block is given. Now for the second option, that is change of customer ID, if you see right here, first you are asking for the new customer ID, and here the SQL begins. String SQL is equal to update order 1 set customer ID question mark, where order ID question mark. This question mark is filled up by prepared statements. So prepared statement P1 is equal to con prepare statement SQL. P statement set int 1 is equal to customer ID and 2 is equal to order ID. Then P statement execute update, so the update is executed. Then P statement is closed and connection is closed, and the exception is caught over here. Next, for deletion of query, the delete query function, as for the previous functions, here also the exception is run for capturing any exception errors. Then it is asked to the user to enter the order ID to be deleted. When the order ID is deleted, the query begins. Delete from order 1 where order ID is equal to question mark. So the inputter order ID will be added over here by using prepare statement. Prepare statement P statement is equal to con dot prepare statement SQL. P statement set int 1 is equal to order ID. P statement dot execute update, P statement dot close, and connection close. And here the exception what are called are given in the catch block, undergo catch block. Now for search. For search, if you see right here, again the same try catch block has been run, and then the product ID that is to be searched is taken in, and the SQL code query begins stating query start from supplier where P underscore ID is equal to plus PID, so whatever you enter over here. P statement is equal to connection dot create statement, so connection is established. Result set RS is equal to P statement dot query execute, Then while rs.next int id is equal to rs.get int sid, string name is equal to rs.get string sname. So what is happening over here is everything is getting copied into the names given over here: sid, sname, gender, sdate, and sid20, as you can see over here, and everything is getting printed out. Then the rs which is established is closed, p statement which is connected is closed, and the entire connection is closed, and whatever exception is caught is undergone in the catch block. That brings us to the end of the program. Thanks for watching.